The fact that Polkadot was developed by two former Ethereum executives, Gavin Wood and Jutta Steiner, is a fairly good indicator of the quality and the potential of the Polkadot blockchain. Polkadot was launched in May of 2020, and just 4 months later, in September, it had earned a place in the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world.
We were just kind of thinking how we could maybe create the next version of Ethereum if we sort of had a green field to design upon. So we already have technologies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are able to, in some sense, disintermediate many of the middlemen, many of the institutions and authorities, and remove the need for much of the trust in society. But what we currently have is a patchwork of, if you like, independent and isolated legal systems of the internet. And this is problematic because it creates many different groups who, although they share the same vision, they have misalignment in how they wish to achieve it, creating borders where borders don't need to be there. There was a general idea back in 2014 when we were starting Ethereum that Ethereum 2 should be being under development by late 2016, and here we were sitting around in autumn of 2016, and there was absolutely no indication that there was going to be any development significant, at least, on Ethereum 2 for some time. So really we wanted to push forward with that one way or another. Let's embark on something that we think will be complementary to Ethereum 2, a system in parallel that can fulfill things that probably Ethereum 2 is going to be less than optimal at fulfilling, and ideally that will interoperate with Ethereum 2 as well. So Polkadot is a multi-chain. The idea is that it's a blockchain, but we bundle lots of different blocks up all at the same time that can be executed in parallel, right? So these things can all be executed at the same time. In principle, run at 100 times the amount of transaction throughput that just one chain, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, could.
Polkadot, also known as one of the Ethereum killers, could be appealing to crypto enthusiasts because of its focus on facilitating interoperability between blockchains, something Ethereum does not do too well. DOT may also be of interest to investors who want to earn rewards from staking. In the description box below is a link to the Celsius wallet, a wallet that I used to stake a bunch of my cryptos, including Polkadot. Polkadot, that's been around for less than a year, already ranks number 9 with a market cap of over $15 billion and is fast on the heels of cryptos like XRP, Doge, and Cardano. To find a list of exchanges that support the coin that you want to buy, which in this case is DOT, then simply go to the website cryptoradar.co, enter in the coin, and it'll give you a list of all exchanges that support the coin. It's always a good idea when looking at the heat map to see the relative size in terms of market cap or even volume of each of these coins compared to other coins. The actual market cap corresponds to the physical size of each of the blocks. So looking at DOT, you can get a pretty good idea how it compares in terms of market cap to, say, Cardano. On the weekly chart, we can see to the left of the chart the small beginnings of DOT. And in seemingly no time at all, it managed to, within the space of 4 months, hit its all-time high of about $50. Considering the fact that we're in a bear market, DOT seems to be holding its own, with price hovering about the $15 mark. Moving to the daily chart and setting up our Fibonacci levels helps us see how much retracement has occurred since DOT hit its all-time high of about $50. Now it has dropped below the 50% Fibonacci level as well as the 61.8%, but the 78.6% level, the blue level, is definitely working hard to maintain price action just above it. So that blue level is a very strong level. If this blue level keeps on acting as a strong support, then in no time at all, as the market is recovering, DOT should easily be able to attain its previous all-time high of $50 and surpass it. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button, comment below, because I do use your comments to better inform me of what other content to create. Share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, but most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And I'll meet you in the next video.